Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, today our topic is blending sounds. So let us start our class. This is letter C. It says K. This is letter R. It says R. When C and R come together, it makes a new sound. That is Kr. Kr. So let's learn some examples of these blending sounds. Kr, kr, crop. Kr, kr, crab. Crab. Crawl. Crawl. Crow. Crow. Crack. Crack. Cry. Cry. Crush. Crush. Crane. Crane. Creep. Creep. And cross. Cross. So kids, if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.